Today is the sixth day of our vacation on Oasis of the Seas. Now, I brought a lot of clothes. I brought two pairs of clothes for every day, shorts for the morning and then a dress for the evening, and we're running out. I brought 8 undies and I really don't want to wash it by hand. So I have it back here behind me and we're going to do laundry. This was supposed to have been done yesterday to be ready for today, but I didn't know you have to count all the pieces. I did put them all in the bag and then I had to take them back out again. So yeah, I'm about to give it to the guy, to our attendant, to send to laundry. So I'll show you, there's a lot of clothes that can fit into this one paper bag, and the one paper bag costs $35. So whatever you can fit in there. It doesn't mention dresses, it just mentions underwear, socks, shirts, shorts, and swimwear. So I'll show you what I have and what I'm gonna fit in for $35. First, just to let you know where this laundry bag is kept. They kept it on top of this shelf here, right above the TV, and then they give you a list. If you want to wash individual items, you can use this list, and it does have dresses here as well, and even evening gowns, but this is going to cost a lot more. This paper is for the whole laundry bag, and you can stuff a lot of items for $35. I have the list of what I have here that's going to be stuffed in the bag. So the bag is already opened, and I had to just dump everything back out because I had to count it. And these are the rolled clothes that's going to go into that bag. We have a lot more laundry, which I'm going to show you real quick. But this is our mesh laundry bag that I bought from the flea market. I'm not going to put the jeans because the jeans take up a lot of space. I was going to do the dresses, but it doesn't look like the dresses are included. And then these are the leftover clothes that we're not going to wash here. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go and fit the items in here. I'm going to start with these big jeans, or shorts, my husband's shorts. And a lot can fit. I already rolled them up. So far, all those shorts, you can see through. There's still plenty of space left over.
Show them where we are on the map.
Hold on. My husband wants to show you where we are on the map, but let me get this done and over with. And that way, yeah, I'll show you where we are on the map. We're already heading back to New Jersey. We had Nassau, Bahamas yesterday. I'm going to try to put some underwear here, corner. This bag is pretty big. And thank goodness it hasn't ripped up on me yet. Okay. So, a little bit more than halfway. I'm going to stuff the shirts now. I really wish this laundry was done today, because tomorrow is our last full day. But I still need clothes for tomorrow, and I still need clothes for disembarkation. Okay.
You don't have to do more. I have enough.
No, I need clothes. We need undies. Okay, almost there. And then we have 3 pairs of socks. So if I wanted to, I can even put a couple more items on top. But I'll show you what it looks like. All those clothes that's on the couch is now in the bag. Here it is. This little bag filled all those clothes that was on the couch. You just roll them up, stuff it in, and look, there's still space here. There's still space on top. So I'm going to see if I can grab a couple more items and stuff it in there. Okay, so I added a jean shorts, I added a bathing suit, I added a shirt, and I can probably fit one more item in here. And look how full it is for $35. I feel like that's worth it. I think that's it. I tried to fit a short and I started ripping the bag, so I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to hold it just for comparison so you see how big this bag is and how much clothes you can fit into it. Alright, so this is it. It's pretty heavy, it's pretty full, you see? It's like a child. And so I have everything written down, and I'll give it to our attendant and it'll be ready for tomorrow.